Hey, Henry.
What?
What are we going to do today?
We're going to do a volcano.
Volcanoes. And who do you have there?
Foxy.
Foxy? What's Foxy from?
Five Nights at Freddy's sister location.
That's going to
Because this is Fun Time Foxy.
Ah, okay. So today we're going to do volcanoes. Do you know how we're going to do the volcano?
Can you put the light back on?
Sure. How are we going to do the volcano? What do we need today?
Baking soda and vinegar and food coloring.
Right. So we're going to use baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar. And that's going to produce the gas CO2. Okay? So to make it more fun, we have food coloring to add to the vinegar. So I think the first one we should do, since you brought Foxy with you, we should do pink. Yeah. All right, so let me add pink to the vinegar.
I don't fall off. I will put it back on.
Ooh, pink, pink, pink. Looks kind of red to me.
Yeah, but it's pink.
It says pink. Okay, so now we each have our own volcano. Okay, so we're gonna scoop the baking soda. Would you like to scoop yours?
Yeah. I gotta put Foxy, Funtime Foxy
Together?
back on.
Yeah, he comes apart easy.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, he actually comes apart.
Can you scoop yours? There you go, perfect. Okay,
We're doing
now I'm gonna put my top back on. What about you?
I'm gonna put my top on.
Notice we have the plastic to keep the table nice and safe.
Yeah, and I brought two
All right.
Foxy with me.
Would you like to pour your vinegar in? Okay, let's do it. Whoa! Whoa! That volcano is really moving. Very cool.
Let's do blue next.
Okay, let's do blue next. So, I'm going to do this, Henry, real quick. Since we're going to do blue next, I'm going to change it up for blue.
Yeah.
So, take your stuff out of there. And we'll just change this up. Easy peasy cleanup. Okay, blue?
Yep, blue.
Okay, let's try this again. Excuse me. Okay. Ready to put some in? All right, and now we want to have the vinegar.
Yeah, I have.
And you want to put some blue in?
Yep, I'm gonna put that in.
Okay, put some blue in. Ooh, that looks pretty blue.
That looks pretty bluish.
What's your favorite color, Henry?
Blue.
Blue?
Let me store it up. Let me store it up.
Okay. Put mine on here.
Okay, it's all stirred.
Okay. Got your volcanoes ready?
Okay, let's do this.
Let's rumble! Whoa, 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 look at that bubble. Whoa.
Toy Fox.
He's getting in the volcano lava. Oh no, not in the lava. Whoa. You know what would be cool?
What?
To put a volcano in your skit bot video.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Okay.
What Fun Time Foxy?
So this is really fun. You can do numerous volcanoes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and with food coloring, you can make them all different colors.
And we can
and maybe
food
put them
coloring
into
and
some
we can
videos.
eat that.
No, you don't want to eat that because even though the equation...
Oh, yeah, because vinegar's in it.
Well, vinegar's not in it anymore because the vinegar and the baking soda reacted with each other.
Well,
and that's why...
we can't eat food coloring.
You can eat food coloring, but the vinegar...
Well, we can't eat baking soda and we can't eat vinegar.
Well, what happens when you mix the baking soda and the vinegar together is they change. They're no longer baking soda and vinegar. Instead, you get that gas, CO2. That's why you get the bubbles. Okay, and then you also
and we can't drink it and we can't eat it.
Well, there's water there, but there's also sodium acetate.
Yeah.
And you don't want to drink the sodium acetate. So, you still don't want to drink it, but it's pretty cool. You're changing the vinegar and baking soda. They're not the same anymore.
You don't want to drink it.
No.
It might taste
But you
gross.
changed it, right?
It might taste gross.
Yes, it would taste gross. But you changed you had a solid and a liquid, and you were able to make a gas, right? Because you had that baking soda, which was the solid, and then you have vinegar, that's the liquid, and look what happens.
Mm-hmm.
A gas is let out.
And this one happens too.
Yeah, all down here you've got a bunch going. Pretty
Well,
cool, huh? Okay. Hey kids, thanks for watching.
Yeah, bye!